Well, recently we had a meeting. We had a meeting, detailed meeting, and then now that proposal of elevated road seems to be not that feasible. We decided recently that 4 lane, right from the Unshyrpi bridge up to Barik point, will be converted into 4 lane instead of elevated road.
Will they get their land for?
Sorry?
Will the army get their land?
Yes, that day we had a joint meeting under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister. He called a meeting even from the GOC, represented by the GOC himself, and we discussed all in detail. And then we have asked PLUD and HID cell, as long as with together with the army officers, to have a joint inspection and ultimately work out how much the area or the land required. But the decision was taken that day that 4 lane should be in place instead of elevated route.